Yeah, I hate that feature. So I wanted to show you guys how you can reprogram a remote, or if you want to change the settings, which is what I would like to do with my remote today. This is a Toyota product, and the procedure for getting into that registration mode is really overly complicated, so I wanted to kind of share some tips with you and just run you through an actual procedure. So one of the first tips I can share with you is I like to print off all the instructions, and then I tape them so that I can just flip through one page at a time right to the steering wheel. So here's what the registration procedure looks like. To start, the vehicle needs to be no key in the ignition cylinder. The driver's doors has to be open, and the other doors are closed, and then this driver's door needs to be unlocked. So I'm going to insert the key into the cylinder and pull it out 2 times within 5 seconds. And then within the next 40 seconds, I'm going to close and open the driver's door twice. And then I'm going to insert the key into the ignition cylinder and then pull it out. And then I'm going to close and open the driver's door twice again. And then I'm going to insert the key into the ignition cylinder and I'm going to close the driver's door. That gets you to the mode selection. So from that point, if you just wanted to simply add another remote, you would just turn the ignition switch on and off once. I want to change the settings on this, so I'm going to have to, within 40 seconds, I need to turn the ignition switch on and off 4 times at approximately 1 second intervals. And then I'm going to remove that key from the ignition cylinder. So the computer is going to respond by locking and unlocking the doors 4 times to recognize that that's what I want to do. And then I will grab my remote and I'm going to press the lock and the unlock buttons at the same time for about 1 to 1.5 seconds. That tells me, or that's going to tell the computer that I want to go into the setting mode, and then all I need to do is to turn off this feature that I don't like about it. I'm going to press the unlock switch and hold it for more than 1 second. And then the computer should respond by locking and unlocking the doors once. And then to end that sequence, all I need to do is just open the door. So, wish me luck. Here we go. Alright, so we're going to go within 5 seconds. Here we go. 1, 2, then we'll close and open, close and open, insert the key, pull it out, close and open, close and open, we'll put the key in, and we'll close the door. Alright, page 2. Now I need to turn this on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull it out. 2, 3, 4. Sweet! It's working. Alright, so I gotta press these 2 buttons for about a second. And then I'm gonna press the unlock button for more than a second. And it just confirmed it. And then I open the driver's door, and we should be done. So, if that worked, I should be able to lock the doors. And when I unlock using the remote, all the doors open at the same time instead of having to push the unlock button twice, which is a stupid feature that I hate. Yeah, that was awesome! Woo! That never works on the first try. It usually takes me about 4 tries to get it to work.